JD here, and today I'm going to show you how to use an Ultra 250 jet pump on your Kawasaki Ultra LX jet ski. So here I have a brand new OEM Kawasaki pump, and I also have a complete premium rebuild kit from Kawi Performance. It includes all the bearings, seals. Their shaft is the best shaft you can buy for Kawasaki's. It's much stronger than the factory shaft. It also has this really handy nut molded right into the shaft, which makes it really easy to work with. The Kawasaki OEM shaft, you need a shaft holder tool. Got your seals, O-rings, bearings, also an upgraded bushing. The chamfer on this Kawi Performance bushing is larger and more gradual than the OEM bushing, so it causes less wear to the oil seal, which means less water intrusion and longer life for your jet pump components. All right, so let's take a look at this pump here. So this is a genuine Kawasaki pump, 59496-0007. Now, some of you might be saying, hey, this is not the part number for an Ultra LX jet pump. And you'd be correct. This is the part number for an Ultra 250 jet pump. And they're exactly the same pump, but you can save about $200 by buying the Ultra 250 pump. All right, let's get this unboxed here. If you've never bought a new pump, this is how they send it. All right. So here's my original pump. Here is my Ultra 250 pump. Now, they're exactly the same with one key difference. On the Ultra LX pump, you'll see that this port here is blocked off. It's not tapped or drilled. The Ultra 250 pump, it is tapped and drilled. So Kawi Performance actually sells a block-off kit so that you can use an Ultra 250 jet pump, which is more readily available and cheaper than the Ultra LX pump, believe it or not. So with this Ultra 250 pump, we'll use this Kawi Performance block-off plate. You see here, O-ring. Here's our plate. And then some stainless hardware. And just like that, we can now use an Ultra 250 pump on an Ultra LX. So we'll tighten this together when we rebuild the pump. But as you can see, there's the Kawi Performance solution to allow you to use the Ultra 250 pump. The other thing I noticed is this 250 pump has these notches in the vanes in the pump, which I thought was kind of interesting because the LX pump does not have that. So maybe that was some performance feature for the 250. Anyway, I'll be doing a full rebuild on this pump. I showed you all the components here. So I'll show you how to install everything, get everything together. I did a video on the Ultra 310 jet pump. This process is 100% exactly the same. The only difference is the pump housing diameter size. So this one is slightly smaller than the Ultra 310, but the process is exactly the same. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Water World.